War. War never changes. In the year 1945, my great-great-grandfather, serving in the army, wondered when he'd get to go home to his wife and the son he'd never seen. He got his wish when the US ended World War II by dropping atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. The world awaited Armageddon. Instead, something miraculous happened. We began to use atomic energy not as a weapon, but as a nearly limitless source of power. People enjoyed luxuries once thought the realm of science fiction. Domestic robots, fusion-powered cars, portable computers. But then, in the 21st century, people awoke from the American dream. Years of consumption led to shortages of every major resource. The entire world unraveled. Peace became a distant memory. It is now the year 2077. We stand on the brink of total war. And I am afraid. For myself, for my wife, for my infant son. Because if my time in the army taught me one thing, it's that war never changes. War never changes.
You're gonna knock him dead at the Veterans Hall tonight, hun.
You think?
Absolutely. Now get ready and stop hogging the mirror.
Right.
Does mayonnaise ever change? Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to welcome to CYBFO for WOGR question mark. Oh shoot, I do not like the Windows button. Yes, that's right. We are here with can you beat Fallout 4 with only the Gauss Rifle? The Gauss Rifle is in fact a Gauss Rifle. If you do not know what a Gauss Rifle is, I don't think that Gauss Rifle is the right term to describe it, but that's what everyone uses to describe things that are magnet weapons. I need to get out of here. No, wait. Extras, yes. Remove all, and then upper, middle, lower, moles.
You look as good as the day we met.
Everything on, 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 everything. We need a ghoul. We need a feral ghoul before the war even started. Like, yeah, I was, I was the first ghoul subject. So that way, like, and I screwed that up because it's not tab, it's space. So the radio's talking about how it's all over, but it's not over yet. I wish it was over. I wouldn't have to Hate all these stupid buttons. All of these buttons are so annoying. I need to keep talking so that way the radio, because I forgot to turn off the radio for this part. Finally it's over. And now it's
What do you think, hon? Roguishly handsome?
this one.
Handsomely roguish.
What's roguish mean? Anyway, it doesn't matter. Scars are cool. As everyone knows, scars are cool.
There's something different. What is it?
And then we need to change the hair to dapper because we are beautiful. And then we need to have, no, that's not what I was looking for. T. We need to have, I don't feel like,
What do you think, hon?
yes.
Beard or no beard?
Now no one will know that I'm a feral ghoul. Yes, there we go. And now I can turn off the music. That was such a bad, I should have remembered that. There we go, I can turn it all the way down. I'm gonna turn it back up because I like some of the... Oh, and that's not even it because it's right. I don't think it... I think it's under effects. But,
Good morning, sir. Your coffee. 173.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Brewed to perfection. And today's newspaper just delivered.
You see, Jimmy, our government has bullies too. Wow, really? That's right. Which is why
I want to watch TV.
bang new weapons, so bullies around the world never bother us again. Well, Jimmy, maybe you should just see for yourself. Careful there, sport. The Batman tactical nuclear.
Oh, sounds like someone made a statement. I shall attend to young Shaw.
You know, I was nervous at first, but Codsworth's really good with Sean.
But then we're looking at a cold front coming down from Canada, making it crisp and dry for next week's Halloween festivities. Looking in on next week's forecast, we have a high of 52 on Monday.
That doesn't look like 52 weather.
Are experiencing some unusual weather as well. On the island of Mambajow, the nights are cold, unseasonably so for Southeast Asia. But for the 5th Infantry, that's as comfortable as an autumn jamboree. All the easier for our mechanized Hellcats to drive any screaming commie memes.
Can you get that? It's probably...
Good morning. Vaultec calling.
Whatever you're selling, I'm not buying.
Oh, no worries, sir. No worries at all. I'm not selling anything. Not today. You can't begin to know how happy I am to finally speak with you. I've been trying for days. It's a matter of utmost urgency, I assure you.
How rude am I? Not right
Maybe
now.
I don't want to talk to you.
Oh, you do. Now, I know you're a busy fellow, so I won't take up much of your time. Time being a precious commodity. I'm here today to tell you that because of your family service to our country, you have been pre-selected for entrance into the local vault. Vault 111.
I think he's an alien.
Go
We do not like
away.
aliens.
Won't take but a moment. We do need to verify some information to make sure you're cleared for entrance in the unforeseen event of total atomic annihilation.
Oh yes, total atomic. No.
Come back some other time.
Come on, hon. It's just a little paperwork. Let him fill it out, and it's done.
He's an alien from outer space. He does not look like us.
I said no.
And I'm saying yes. So there.
Splendid.
Oh yeah, I think that because it's Gauss Rifle only, the way that the strategy is to get. Oh shoot, I don't remember what luck had to be at to. We need charisma up a little bit because we need lone waterer, but we also need intelligence to be up so that way we level up faster. Okay, so I'm gonna go with 2 in everything, and then it's like when I get the Pip-Boy, I can figure it out. 2 in everything, 2 in charisma, intelligence, and luck, and then endurance at 10 and agility at 10. And then the name. What's a good name? I don't know. What could be a good name for a ghoul who's named Joe? I don't know. Maybe Joe the Ghoul.
Wonderful.
There we go.
That's everything. Just gonna walk this over to the vault. Congratulations on being prepared for the future.
Thanks again.
Go away.
It's peace of mind. That's worth a little paperwork.
Gonna drink
right?
my
For
coffee.
you and Sean, no price is too high.
Little known fact. Coffee
Good
kills
answer.
I have
ghouls.
my moments.
Very well. That's why you find no coffee.
Mr. Joe, Sean has been changed, but he absolutely refuses to calm down. I think he needs some of that paternal affection you seem to be so good at.
He did not say my name.
Go on.
I'm closing that. Oh, I can't. Yes, we know that
How
there's
are the
nothing
2
in
most
life we
important
can't
men
do.
in my life doing? Spin the mobile a bit. He loves that.
It does? I want to get out of this house. I think that there's
Hey,
another
how's that
alien.
guy? Much better now, huh? Listen, after breakfast, I was thinking we could head to the park for a bit. Weather should hold up.
But
And it's a whole
TV.
series? Not gonna happen.
Sir, Mum, you should come and see this.
Codsworth, what's wrong?
Followed by, yes, followed by flashes, blinding flashes, sounds of explosions. We're trying to get confirmation.
What?
We seem to have lost
What did he
contact with our
say?
affiliate stations.
Oh,
We
no.
do have coming in. That's confirmed reports. I repeat, confirmed reports of nuclear detonations in New York and Pennsylvania. My God.
Oh my god.
We need to get to the vault. Now!
I've got Sean.
Are you sure that there were nuclear detonations? I mean, like, I don't know how Codsworth is, like, shooting, oh wait, no. Okay, yeah, the nuclear reactor in him is probably causing his computer to run, and the fuel is causing his, jet to run. Okay, that makes sense. Well, I guess it's the end of the world, I'm gonna walk. It's gonna be too late either way.
It's okay.
We'll drive to the coast. That's gotta be far enough.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills.
It is enough. Trust me.
Evacuate to Vault 111.
Coast is only like about a kilometer out.
All vault participants.
Why will you drive to the coast, by the way? How are you gonna get past the APC?
This way.
You are registered. Evacuate to Vault 111 immediately.
Vault participants this way.
Why is this game so buggy? Oh, that sky's nice.
Residents of Sanctuary Hills.
I care. Here, I'll help him pack it up. You keep going, okay?
I can't lose these. It'll be all I have left.
Who cares about the stupid luggage? Oh, God.
But you have your nice suit. You only need your nice suit and tie. Well, you don't have a tie even. Get your tie out of the briefcase and put it on. Alright, that's enough of walking. this game's gonna go too slow if I actually walk anywhere.
That's absurd! I
Not
am
on the
Vault
list.
Tech.
You don't get in.
I'm going in. You
We need to get in. We're on the list.
Infant, adult male, adult female. Okay, go ahead.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am. And God help us all. You two, follow me. Come on.
What's gonna happen to all those people
We're
outside the
doing
gate?
everything we can. Now keep moving. Step on the platform in the center.
We have to bug this guy.
Sir, I need to operate the elevator. Get out of the control room.
Excuse me.
The platform's over there, sir.
But this is safer.
Get out. Get out. Get out.
It's got a first aid kit.
Sir, we need to send you down to the vault. Step on the platform.
Get moving.
Excuse me.
Get to the vault.
Hey there.
On the platform, sir. Move it.
I'm looking for. There's not enough space. There's
Get
too
on the
many
platform.
people. There's too many people. There's too many people. Like, let's see. This platform says it's got a weight limit of where is it? Huh. I thought that there was a weight. You know. Fine. If it doesn't have a weight limit, we'll go.
All right, that's it. Send it down.
Almost there. We're gonna be okay. I love you.
I hope no
Both of
nuclear
you.
bombs
Love you
hit.
too.
Oh my god!
Oh.
Now, send it down now.
Shouldn't have said that, should I have?
They move faster. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god.
It's okay, I'm a ghoul. I'm immune to radiation. Well, insofar as ghouls are immune to radiation, but you know.
We did it. We made it.
Everyone please step off the elevator and proceed up the stairs in an orderly fashion.
No need to worry, folks. We'll get everyone situated in your new home. Vault 111. A better future underground.
So we just...
Yes, up the stairs.
I can't believe it. If we left a minute later.
No,
We'd all
don't
be-
get caught up thinking about that. You're safe now. Everyone, just head up these stairs and through the door there.
What's going on?
Don't you know what's going on?
Male.
This way.
So this guy's the overseer.
Stairs, please.
Step over to the table, take a seat. This way, please.
Okay. Well, I think that's it for this video. Oh, I need to get the beautiful vault door in the frame. I need that to be
Please,
there.
head up the stairs. Got a lot to do to get you oriented.
Right over there.
All right.
Over there. Take a seat.
And that is it for this episode. Can you beat Fallout 4 with only a Gauss Rifle?